It was the last 10 nights of Ramazan. Zunair had heard the Imam in the mosque say that there is one night in Ramazan that is better than 1,000 months. With curiosity, Zunair asked his grandfather. "Grandfather, is there really such a night? And how can we know which night it is?" His grandfather smiled and replied, "My dear, that night is called Laylatul Qadr. It is hidden in the odd nights of the last 10 days of Ramazan. On this night, Allah's special mercy and blessings descend. Whoever stays awake and worships on this night, their sins are forgiven, and their prayers are accepted." Zunair's eyes sparkled with excitement. "I want to find this special night too. I will stay awake tonight and pray." His grandfather said, "Very good, my child. But remember, worship should come from the heart. Just staying awake is not enough." That night, Zunair performed ablution and went to the mosque. The atmosphere there was spiritual. A soft glow of light surrounded the place, and the soothing recitation of the Quran echoed in the air. During his sermon, the Imam said, "On Laylatul Qadr, Allah sends angels to the earth, and they pray for all those who are engaged in worship." Zunair looked up at the sky with his bright eyes, as if searching for the angels. With all his heart, he prayed, "O Allah! Accept my prayers, make me righteous, keep my parents happy, and help all the poor." When he returned home, he excitedly told his grandfather about his experience. "Grandfather, I felt as if the angels were really near me. My heart feels so light and happy." His grandfather smiled with joy and said, "My dear, that is the beauty of Laylatul Qadr. Whoever remembers Allah with sincerity on this night finds peace in their heart, and their prayers are answered." Zunair smiled and said, "Then I will stay awake every year on this night and pray." That night, Zunair realized that Laylatul Qadr was not just a special night but a golden opportunity to seek goodness, pray, and get closer to Allah. He considered it the most precious night of his life and promised himself that every year, he would spend this night in worship.